Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Old Tech New Look. My name is Baz and I'm back with another one. So today it will be unboxing of this Nintendo Classic Mini. So the original Super Nintendo come out, 1990 in Japan and 91, 92 America and UK. So that was over 30 years ago. In 2017 they re-released this mini version. So it'll be interesting to see the unboxing of this, because if you can see, you can hold the whole thing in one hand. So this box is very tiny. So it looks as though it's the whole same design by the picture as the Super Nintendo, as it was known as the SNES back then. Super Nintendo Entertainment System. So it's a smaller version, but it practically does the same thing. But it comes pre-installed with 21 games. So before we unbox it, you can see it's held in a hand, very tiny. And the controllers, they look as though they're probably the same size as the actual original ones. So the controller size shouldn't be any different. And the games, if you want to see the games there, you can pause the screen there. But yeah, you got a lot of the Super Marios, Super Mario Kart, Kirby, and the original classic Street Fighter 2 Turbo. A very popular game back then. So without further ado, I'm gonna unbox this. And yeah, this was second hand, £90 from the shop CEX. So 24 months warranty. So yeah, here we go, the unboxing. Yep, so looks very neatly packed. So yeah, as I open it, just a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more retro tech. So here we go. Oh my days, that is so small. So this is the console itself. Oh, this is so tiny. So the original used to be probably almost I would say, guessing 4 times the size. The length was probably almost double, so the width. And yeah, and the top here, it would open. This one doesn't open, but it would open. You put the cartridge in, you click this back and press the reset button, and that would start it off. So the console itself, okay, so the cables, they don't even plug in. There's nothing to connect cables. That's interesting. Because in the picture, the cables have got a wire, unless they're Bluetooth. Oh, got to get them out and see. But yeah, so they're fake ports over here. And at the back you have the HDMI and micro USB, yeah, micro USB-C by the looks of it, not USB-C. So there we have the console. Now the controllers. So here's one controller. Alright. Okay, so it does have a cable. Oh my days. The reminder, the moves. I think it's the same size. I mean, it's been a very long time since I used to have this. But yeah, that looks, I would say, the same size. So okay, it does connect. So they are wired. So we'll figure that out in a minute. Let's set that up. It's one controller. And you have the second controller. So it comes with 2 controllers. So the HDMI cable, and what is this? Ooh. Okay. I'm so confused right now how this works. Okay, so yep, we've got the Super Nintendo. We have the controllers with these HDMI. And yeah, that's it. That's all we have in the box. 2 controllers. I'm gonna have to figure out how to connect this because this is very, very unusual. The cable's got connector ports. There's nowhere to... Oh, you know what? Oh, hang on. Okay, I think I figured it out. Anyone that has this and can't figure it out, underneath here. There you go. And that's where they plug in. So there we have it. They're wired. So to summarise, £90 second hand. Mini classic Super Nintendo. Here's controllers. And in the box it came with the HDMI cable, HDMI connection, and because it's so tiny, it is powered by the mini or micro USB, not USB-C. And earlier when I was referring to the cartridge, basically the game, it was called a cartridge, which you used to put in. Obviously all you modern people, you wouldn't know what that was. So the game itself was known as a cartridge. You would place at the top. But anyway, yeah, we'll be having a gameplay on this later, and that will be uploaded as well. So anything you want to know about this, feel free to ask. And yeah, really gonna be looking forward to playing this. Thank you again, take care, and see you on the next one.